This one goes out to Aruba. Now can I talk about the 297? The best place to be, second only to heaven. Our greatest resource, the proud Arubian people. You can say what you want to, but there are no equal. The rays of the sun, we reflect just like diamonds. The smiles on our faces ain't fake, so we're one happy island. The natural bridge came down, but couldn't bring us down with it. The love strong can't break it, our anthems is it. A small island, but well respected. One visit to this paradise and you'll never forget it. White sand and blue seas, palm trees, the warm breeze. Hotels packed with people wishing they ain't gotta leave. I'm from Aruba, born and raised, and even though I'm living far away, it's still the place where I grew up. The place I call home. At times we might screw up, but still hold our own. We Aruba.
Nos dushitera, ta nos Aruba. Laga nos turban apreciar. No tiene un otro pa igualer. Dure calor ku Aruba taduna.
Mi turta sinti nang nakasta, sinti nang siguro. E sinti te trece paz, di pariba te pabau, bota mira lamang blow. Y transparente, tipo aclariado mente, santo blanco, relajante. Un vista más valioso que un diamante, más valioso que un prenda of un joya. Cinta atrai mi casa, den mis tulisoya tropial. Que chuchubi cinta, den palikuhi e yuana escondi. Den mati, divi la cadisha espantacore bailie. Ore blenche bin chupa flor, ne mati aloe. E vista che costa, y en hotel, cu turista te gozan tona granel. Dinos cordialidad, sin duda, chiquita y simple ta nos Aruba.
Nos dushitera, ta nos Aruba. Laga nos turban apreciar. No tiene un otro pa igualer. Dure calor ku Aruba taduna. Barranca precioso, un isla lujoso, sempre de mi corazón. Nos tiene un tesoro, e val más que oro. Nunca lo me quiero perder.
Sometimes I sit back, relax and think back. With a drink I take a sip as I watch the sunset, reminiscing with a smile on my face. And I think to myself, this place is in a class by itself, man. A kingdom under the sun, so many different backgrounds, but we're still one. And when our different cultures combine, it's a beautiful outcome. Ain't no other place like this, and that's where I'm from.
Aruba, un paraíso del Caribe. Camina solo, te sale riba gente, nang humilde gente. Nang bonita di pa ding y pa fo, sin la fo. Et un pida barranca so, rondonador de agua, eta puro. Belleza natural, eta flores en puro. Riqueza, et un símbolo de paz y amor, unión, ventura, corazón. Eta Aruba.